I don't really like taking pictures. I prefer videos. I feel like videos just captures more. Like when I watch them back, I can actually remember how I felt in that moment. Growing up, my dad was always behind the camera. We have videos for everything, like for birthdays, random days, and you always hear his voice in the background asking questions. So it's like more like a documentary kind of videos. I haven't got to watch videos of my grandparents, like how they met, their stories, their life, and I don't know, it just stayed with me. So now I just find myself always recording, but this time I want to be in it too. My name is Hannah, and I guess I'm just documenting my life as I go. I don't really know where this is going yet, but I hope it becomes something meaningful for me and maybe for people who find it too.